here you've got the latest addition to our Linia plasma range. This is the water table version. Now, great thing about a water table is initial outlay. Because you don't need a filtration system for the dust and the fumes, the initial outlay is a lot less. So all you do is you fill up water under the bed. It's a sealed bed, and that's what collects all your dust and your fumes, and then you clean it out when it's dirty. Now I'll take you through a few of the features on the machine. You can see around the machine you've got all these silver ball bearings. That's just when you're loading the material. It's just easier if you're doing heavier sheet. So it's just easier to put on the machine and try and avoid scratching with the slats. You can see that the table is quite shallow. That's where all the water goes into. Now, the gantry, that runs on linear guideways in a rack, and it's the same thing for your cutting head, also linear guideways, and that's your rack over there. Now, your motors on this machine are stepper motors, hybrid stepper motors, so positioning is relatively quick, and on both sides of the gantry bridge you've got e-stops for safety. Now the cutting head is you've got 4 collisions. It uses air pressure, so if there is a collision, cutting head has the ability to move like that. So if it hits something, it's going to move and it's going to lose air pressure, sending a signal to the controller and stopping the machine. Now the machine, the actual height is controlled with the stepper motor and ball screw. So again, nice and quick and smooth. This machine's being assembled to go out because it's sold, and we just need, that's your air valve, which just needs to be attached to the machine. On this side of the gantry, you've got a lubrication system, and that's just to run lubrication over there onto your slides. I'll take you to the control. Now, with the control here, you've got a wireless remote control. So what this will do is, this gives you the functionality to move your machine in all different axes and start it if you want from anywhere. So the good thing is, if you need to set your machine up, you just use this, and you can be right by the material, seeing where your cutting's starting, and that is magnetic, and that sits there. That is your height control. So this machine comes with automatic height control, so it will come down, it'll sense where the job is, and it'll choose the best settings, and then it'll automatically cut. Coming down, that is your controller, and it is graphical, so you can see what shape you're cutting. Now, nice thing about this is it has an inbuilt database, so if you want to cut nice and quickly, you can come to the database, and you can choose it. Let's say you're doing a base plate with a hole in it. You can choose the shape, put your dimensions in, and then off you go. Machine does come with software. It comes with FastCare and professional software offline for all your nesting, and it's automatic nesting on there as well. So that's the Linia water table plasma.